Oh my God. Fractions. Panic! No, you don't. Let me show you what to do. You're going to absolutely love this. Watch this. You're going to solve this by elimination, but check this out. If you use common denominators here, you can actually change the fractions into pretty numbers. What am I talking about? Look, this may be a 4, but look, what you do to one side, you do to the other. Multiply this by 4. Watch this. If you got 3 over 4 and you multiply it by 4 over 1, 3 over 4, or 3 over 4 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 1 is 4. Look at this. 12 divided by 4 is just 3. The 4's actually cancel out. The denominator is gone. So that makes this guy here into, guess what? 3x minus 4y equaling to, yeah, you got to do it all the way over to there, because what you do to the left, you do to the right, equal to 8. Look how pretty this equation becomes. Oh my goodness, that's so much nicer than the fractions, isn't it? Check out this next one. There's an 8, there's a 4, but remember what it said. Common denominators. The common denominator for this would be, guess what? Yeah, 8. So you're going to multiply both sides by 8. So 1/8 of 8, right? Think about it. 8 times 1/8 is just 1, because 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 over 8 is 1. So this equation now becomes 1x plus, okay, now 8 times a quarter. All right, 8 times a quarter gives you 8 over 4, which is just 2. This becomes 2y. And check this out. All the way to this guy. Yeah, I already got it there. 8 times 2 equals to 16. Look how nice your equations worked out to be. And as a matter of fact, they're all lined up for you to use elimination method on. Oh, how sweet. So I'm going to just take this one, pop it down here to make it look nice and pretty and line it all up. So there's your second equation coming in here. This is just plain old x plus 2y equals to 16. And look what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply. I don't care. I can multiply this guy by 2 if I wanted to, so I can get the y's to be opposite sides and equal to, or I can multiply these guys by -3 so that they'll be opposite sides and equal to. Whatever you want to do. Let's multiply this by -3. Okay, so if I multiply this by -3, let's clean this up so I got a little bit more room to play here. All right, so here we go. This one has not changed. This is still 3x minus 4y equals to 8. This guy I'm going to multiply by -3, so I'm going to get minus 3x, and don't forget, it goes to each one of these guys. So this becomes -3 times 2, which is minus 6y. And don't forget, all the way over to here to 16. So 16 is 16, 32, 48. Minus 48. Oh my goodness, look at that. And look how pretty this is all set up. Oh my goodness. It's so, so pretty. Just add, canceling these guys, you got -4 and -6 is minus 10y. You have 8 and 4, minus 48 gives you minus 40. Check this out. Divide by -10, divide by -10, y equals 2, 4. Wow, is that ever pretty? Now, I know what you want to do is you want to substitute this back into one of the original questions. Yeah, go ahead, but you know what? I think that's a waste of time because you have really nice questions or really nice equations that don't have any fractions in them right there. So those are the ones that I would use right now. Okay, so here we go. Whoops, a little too far. There it is. I got 3x minus 4y equals to 8. I know my y is 4. Pop it in there. 3x minus 4 times 4 equals to 8. 4 times 4, of course, is 16 equals to 8. Add 16 to both sides. Plus 16 plus 16. That gives you 3x equals to 24. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals 8. Look at that. I've got x equaling to 8, I got y equaling to 4, so there is my solutions, and a beautiful way of getting rid of those nasty fractions.